To trade on the Dow Jones, you first need to understand what it is. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is a stock market index that represents the 30 largest and most widely traded companies in the United States. Trading on the Dow Jones involves buying and selling stocks of these companies or investing in index funds and exchange-traded funds that track the performance of the index. The first step to trade on the Dow Jones is to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. This will give you access to a trading platform where you can buy and sell stocks and other financial instruments. When choosing a broker, consider factors such as fees, commissions, and the range of trading tools and resources available. Once you have opened a brokerage account, you need to fund it with money to trade. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or by using other payment methods accepted by your broker. It is essential to set a budget and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Next, you need to learn about the different types of trading orders and how to place them. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better. A stop-loss order is an order to sell a stock when it falls to a certain price to limit potential losses. To trade on the Dow Jones, you can buy individual stocks of companies listed on the index or invest in index funds and exchange-traded funds that track the performance of the index. Index funds and exchange-traded funds provide diversification and can be less volatile than individual stocks. It is essential to do your research and stay informed about market trends and news that may affect the performance of the stocks you are trading. You should also have a trading strategy and stick to it to avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Best practices for trading on the Dow Jones include setting clear goals and risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your trading strategy. It is also crucial to manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders and limiting your position size. In conclusion, trading on the Dow Jones requires knowledge, skills, and experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and manage your risk to trade on the Dow Jones effectively.